Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you how to make mango punch mocktail. First of all, take a shaker glass and you have to add 150 ml of mango juice. Then you have to fill the glass with ice cube. You have to add more ice cube for this mocktail because this is the creamy base mocktail. We are preparing this mocktail with vanilla ice creams. Okay, after that, then you have to pour 30 ml of mango crush. This is the mango flavor mocktail, creamy base mocktail. You have to add 30 ml of mango crush on it. Then you have to add 3 spoon of vanilla ice creams. You have to add 3 spoon of vanilla ice cream. If you are having blender, you can blend all the ingredients and you can make the mocktails. Okay, then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. You have to shake all the ingredients because this is creamy based mocktail. Okay, after that you have to take a pilsner glass and add 20 ml of mango crush for the garnish of the mocktail. You can add, and slowly you have to rim the glass slowly. You can see the nice fancy color will come. So your garnish is ready. Then you have to strain the ingredients into the pilsner glass. So strain slowly. You can pour all the ingredients, but I am straining the ingredients. So strain all the ingredients. See how the creamy base mocktail is ready. See, mango flavor mocktail. See, you can garnish with mango or mint springs. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my video. Thank you very much.